In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your MetaMask wallet to the Base network and utilize its features, allowing you to receive, send, trade, and even lend or stake your assets. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your MetaMask wallet. Once you're in, take a look at the top where you'll find the network drop-down. This is your gateway to connecting with various networks, and today, we're focusing on the Base network. Click on that drop-down and select Add Network. You should see an option to add a network manually, and this is what you need. Here, you'll enter the details specific to the Base mainnet. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for all your subsequent transactions on the Base network. With your MetaMask now configured for Base, the next thing on your list is to receive some ETH, the essential currency you'll use for transactions. Make sure you're on the Base mainnet within MetaMask, and once there, click on your wallet address. This action will copy it to your clipboard, making it easy to paste wherever necessary. You have a couple of options for getting ETH into this address. You can proceed with a centralized exchange, such as Coinbase, or use a bridge, like the one available at bridgebase.org. Simply paste your copied address into the platform you're using, and transfer a small amount of ETH to get started. Now that you're set up with some ETH, let's move on to sending it. Back in your MetaMask wallet, you'll find a button labeled Send. Click this and you'll be guided to select ETH as your currency and input the destination address for your transfer. Check the gas fees, as these are necessary for processing the transaction on the Base network. Once everything looks good, confirm the send. Your ETH will soon be on its way through the Base network. Once you've mastered the art of sending ETH, it's time to explore trading. To do this, head over to a Base-supported decentralized exchange, commonly known as a DEX. Some popular choices include baseswap.fi or uniswap. Once on their site, you'll want to connect your MetaMask wallet. This connection is necessary for you to start trading ETH for various tokens available on the Base network. Finally, let's explore lending or staking your assets. If you're interested in earning a yield on your ETH or other tokens, look into protocols that have already incorporated Base support, such as Aave or Compound. Go to their websites, switch your network within MetaMask to Base, and connect your wallet. From there, you can supply your assets and start watching your earnings grow. And there you have it. You're now fully operational on the Base network with your MetaMask wallet. You can receive, send, trade, and even lend, all from one convenient platform. If this guide was helpful to you, be sure to like, share, or save this video for future reference. Happy transactions, and enjoy your journey into the Base network.